We will cook creamy spinach today and serve it together with potatoes and hard-boiled eggs. You will need spinach, onion, garlic, butter, flour, nutmeg, milk, cream, salt, and boiled potatoes and boiled eggs to serve the spinach with. Wash 200 grams of baby spinach leaves. Add to a pan with boiling water and cook very shortly for about 2 minutes. Peel and dice 1 small onion. Heat up a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the diced onion and fry the onion gently until it softens. Peel 2 cloves of garlic and put them through a garlic press. Fry the garlic just briefly. Add 1 tablespoon of plain, all-purpose flour. Fry everything for about half a minute and add half a cup of milk. Add a little bit of grated nutmeg. Boil the milk and the flour gently for about 5 minutes, stirring it as needed. The sauce will start to thicken. Add the spinach leaves. Use a food processor to puree the spinach leaves. Boil the spinach for another 5 minutes, stirring it constantly. Finally, stir in a dash of single cream and add a pinch of salt. Serve with potatoes of your choice. We have fried some boiled potatoes in butter together with chopped spring onions. Place a boiled egg on top and add other garnish, such as fresh parsley.